Today, guys, we have a seat that is torn. There it is. We're gonna repair this. By doing that, we're gonna remove this cover. So we're almost done removing the cover. Just pull out from here. There it is. So we're gonna have to clean out the stitches, cut a little further out from here and here, about 3-4 inches this way, 3-4 inches that way, so we can have access to this line here. And same here, 3-4 inches on both sides. Stitch it up and then stitch this part that we unstitched. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. So we finished up. It's all stitched up, ready to go. Next we have is this seat right here. It is also torn. This is the second seat part that was torn. We got this one that we just took off, and we're working on this one. It's all one car, one owner. It's a little torn right there, so we'll have to sew it a little more snug, more tighter. It'll fit on more tighter. That's a good thing. It won't be loose. But we're gonna remove this cover and see how it will turn out after we fix and stitch everything up.